Hey, what's up, gangsters? Welcome to the 33rd Selenium WebDriver tutorial. Again, my name is Abhilash, and in the previous tutorial, we have seen how we can retrieve text from the alert pop-up that was displayed on the web page. So we have seen how we can click on the alert button and the alert pop-up was displayed, and how we can switch to that particular alert and retrieve the data that is provided by that alert pop-up. But one thing that we have not handled is after clicking on that alert and what we are supposed to do after it is displayed. So basically we have something called as OK button in order to accept the alert pop-up. So once you click on OK, it goes back to that particular web page and all the elements on that web page are active. So basically in this tutorial what we will check is how we can accept this alert, and also we will see how we can handle the confirmation pop-up. So let's continue with the class that we had created in the previous tutorial. So in order to make it more easy for you guys, let's print this alert keyword in our println statement. And now we have one more method called as first of all, we are supposed to switch to that particular alert, and we have one more method called as accept, which is going to click on that particular OK button that was displayed on the pop-up. So if you save it, and what it is going to do is basically it is going to open the menu and click on the pop-up button in the menu list, and then it is going to click on the alert button, which will display the alert. And in this statement we are going to switch to that particular alert and get the string that is displayed, and the next statement, that is switch to .alert.accept, will accept the alert that was opened. So basically this is the way it is going to get executed. So let's quickly execute it in order to check whether it is really getting the data from the alert, and clicking on the OK button. So basically, as you can see, it has already clicked on the OK, that is, it has accepted the alert pop-up. And if you check the console section, it has printed alert colon, this is an alert pop-up. So we have successfully retrieved the data from the alert. So basically this is the way we can accept the pop-ups irrespective of which pop-up it is. So it can be an alert, it can be a confirmation, or a prompt pop-up. So next we'll see how we can handle the confirmation pop-up. So let's quickly create a new class for this. So basically we'll create a new class inside a package, and let's name it as confirmation test. So to keep it simple for you guys, I am creating different classes for different objects so that it doesn't get messed up in our automation script. So let's quickly copy this, that is the initialization of our Firefox browser, and then since the alert and confirmation is on the same page, let's quickly copy this statement as well, which is going to click on that pop-up in the menu options. And now next what we are going to do is identify this confirmation button. So id equals confirmation. So let's quickly find that element, confirmation dot click. So find element which takes the data that is returned by the by class, and it uses one of the locating methods, that is id or css or class name or any other locating method that is provided, and it will carry out the click operation on that particular button. So let's quickly execute this and check out what is the status of our test automation script. So basically it is going to click on that confirmation, and we have two options over here, that is accept, and this is something called as cancel. So basically we can reject it too. So the pop-up options, or you can say in the confirmation pop-up, we have two options that we can choose. One is accepting it, or another is canceling it. So basically, first of all, we are going to get the data of this confirmation, and will reject it, since we have seen how to accept a pop-up in the alert. Okay, so basically we are going to get the data. So let's quickly print system.out.println. So basically this is used in order to print any statement. So first of all, we are supposed to switch to that particular alert. So switch to dot alert, the same method that we have seen in the previous tutorial as well. Then we have the method called as get text, which will get the data from the confirmation. And after that, let's quickly reject. So basically we are going to do switch to dot alert dot. Okay, so in this tutorial we have seen that we have something called as accept method, which will accept the pop-up, that is, it will click on OK, and we have something called as dismiss, which will click on cancel. So basically we are going to use this method in order to reject the confirmation pop-up. And yeah, that's it for the most part as far as handling confirmation is concerned. So let's quickly execute this. So basically it has clicked on the confirmation, and as you can see, this is a confirmation pop-up. So this string was retrieved from the confirmation pop-up, and it was displayed on the console section. So to keep it simple, let's print the confirmation and execute this script. So as you can see, for a millisecond the confirmation was displayed, but the speed of execution is so fast that it was quickly rejected using the dismiss method. So basically that's a way you can work with the alerts methods, and you can quickly get the text that is displayed from on the alert, and you can also accept or dismiss, as we have seen the accept method while using the alerts, and we can also make use of dismiss in the confirmation, since it contains both, that is OK and cancel buttons. So in the next tutorial we will be working with the prompt pop-up, and we'll check out what are the different features that is provided. That is, it just allows us to provide one particular string in the prompt, and we can handle the pop-ups in more or less the same way. Okay, so we'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Have a nice one.